Naugran. Professions. She is a doctor, or she's a doctor. He is a nurse, or he's a nurse. He's a taxi driver. She's a pilot. She's a chef. She's a vet. He's a waiter, or he's a server. She's a waitress, or she's a server. She's a customer. He's a policeman, or he's a police officer. She's a policewoman, or she's a police officer. Is he a police officer? No, he's not. What is he? He's a stripper. What is her job? Or what's her job? She's a doctor. What's his job? He's a nurse. Is he a doctor? No, he's not. He's a taxi driver. Is she a pilot? No, she's not. She's a vet. Is he a taxi driver? Yes, he is. Is she a pilot or a driver? She's a pilot.